Who's a good little buddy? Come here. Come here. Come here, little buddy.
Hey, buddy.
It's like, what is that thing? Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. Come here. Come on. You got something you want to say?
Charlie, tell everybody Happy New Year's, buddy. Say Happy New Year.
He's like, I don't know what that means.
I don't think he does know what that means.
Aww, our little buddy Charlie. Aww. Well, I know what it means, and I just want to take a moment to wish everyone a Happy New Year, and be safe, and just leave 2018 behind. You don't need it anymore, and just embrace 2019 for what it is. And I'll see you next year.